Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create Shopify blog tags. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you can see that we have this blog post right here. So just head over, click on blog post, and then from there, you should be able to see all your blog posts that I have right here. So for example, let's first create a blog post. And under this blog post right here, you can see that you can add your image, you can add the content right here, as well as the excerpt, and also the website SEO. Under here, you should be able to see the tags. So for now, let's just head over and then just write a very short blog post about dogs. And then this will be the placeholder before I do everything right here. So let's head over and then put in here an actual thing that's around about dogs. So in here, let's just name it dogs. And then since we have this online right here, which is the tags, you can just head over and then put in here a tag for the ones that is actually applicable to your blog. So since my blog is talking about dogs, I'll just put in here dogs. I'll also put in here puppy or puppy. And I'll just put in here as well pet. And then once I have done that, I'll just head over and click on save right here. And once I have saved that, it will appear right now on my actual blog post. And on my blog post right here, it's actually tagged with the actual thing that I have. So for example, if we're searching here for dog, we should be able to see the one that is been tagged with the flag tag that is about dogs. So that's the whole process. If you have problems with your help, also please like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.